Good morning students. Today I am going to teach you general knowledge. In this video we will discuss everything in detail and we will discuss some extra information which is not given in the book but related to the topic. Now our second lesson is the fabulous fish. So you know that fish is the aquatic animal. They either live in fresh water or the marine water. Fish breathe in water. They take the dissolved oxygen from the water. All fish are vertebrates. That means they have a backbone. Most fish breathe through gills and have fins and the scales. Fish are cold blooded, which means their internal body temperature changes as the surrounding temperature changes. And what is the food of the fish? They eat other fish or the molluscus, aquatic plants, zooplanktons, insects, water birds, turtle, frogs, snakes, mice, etc. Now in this video we will discuss some interesting facts of fish. So first one is the jellyfish. Jellyfish is live in fresh water. It look like a little umbrella. And jellyfish can be large and brightly colored. They can be transparent or translucent. And some of the jellyfish are the bioluminescent. That means they can produce their own light. Jellyfish have no brain, heart, bones, or eyes. They are made up of a smooth bag like body and tentacle arm with tiny stinging cells. And they use these stinging tentacles first to paralyze the prey before eating it. Okay, so this is about the jellyfish. Second one is the rough eye rockfish. Rough eye rockfish is a rockfish of a rock is the rockfish. It is also known as the black throat rockfish or the black tip rockfish, and it is grows to a maximum of about 97 centimeter in length. Okay, and it is among the most long life of fish species, and their lifespan is about 140 to 205 years. Next one is the African lungfish. It is found in fresh water in West and Middle Africa. The African lungfish can sleep out of water for 3 to 5 years without any sustenance, only to wake up when fresh water is available. Okay, then they are capable of breathing out of the water. Simply put, they have both lungs and the gills. Okay, so this is about the African lungfish. Next one is the whale shark. Whale shark are the largest fish in the world. Whale shark can grow up to 40 feet long and their weight is about 20.6 ton. That's the size of a school bus. A whale shark's mouth is about 5 feet wide, that means 1.5 meter long. Okay, they have rows of over 300 teeth, but as they are filter feeder, they do not use teeth to eat. Okay, next one is the shellfish. Shellfish are considered the fastest fish in the sea. They reaching top speeds of 70 miles per hour. A shellfish is living in colder areas of all the seas of the earth. They are predominantly blue to grey in color and have a characteristic dorsal fin known as the sail. Shellfish spend their entire life near the surface of the open ocean but can dive up to 1150 feet to find out their food. Okay. Next one is the snailfish. Snailfish also known as sea snail. Snailfish are small growing to a maximum length of about 30 centimeter. Snailfish is the world's deepest fish in the sea. Next one is the European eel. European eel live in both salt water and the fresh water. It look like a snake but most of the eels do not have the scale. The eel's backbone made up of 100 vertebrae and because of this they are very flexible. Some species of eel travel up to 4,000 miles to breed and in this journey they take the 7 months to finish. While on the journey, the eel does not eat anything. Okay, after the eel breeds, it dies. So this is about the European eel. Next one is the stonefish. Stonefish is the most poisonous fish in the world. They have excellent camouflage skills. They are masters of disguise. They are very fast predators. They can attack their prey in as little as 0.015 seconds. They can survive for up to 24 hours out of water. They can be found at Blue Planet Aquarium. Their venom sacs are found in their 13 spine. Okay, next one is the Opa. Opa is also known as moonfish or the sunfish. It is fully warm-blooded animal, and the Opa is a rusty reddish color fish which has a white spot and bright red fins. It weighs up to 200 pounds, that means 90 kg, and is about the size of a car tire with an oval body shape. Okay, next one is the electric eel. Electric eel are closely related to the catfish. They live in shallow muddy water and come to the surface to every 10 minutes. Why? Because they breathe atmospheric air. They breathe through the atmospheric air. Electric eel has around 6,000 cells that produce electricity. They can generate a power 600 volt, which is 5 times stronger than the electricity. And 20 foot long eel can produce enough electricity as to light 12 light bulbs. Okay, so this is about the electric eel. Now you can find out some extra information regarding all this question or regarding the fish. Okay, thank you.